Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove the home screen indicators on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. To do that, we're gonna need to download and install the GoodLock application by Samsung. You can download it both from the Galaxy Store and Google Play Store. So open any of them that you like, or that the one that's available in your region, and then search for GoodLock. Then find this app and install it. Once it's installed, let's open it. Then agree to terms of service to continue. And here on the extensions list, find QuickStar and let's download it. Then open it. Then let's enable it, and then open the visibility of indicator icons, and here you can choose which icons to disable on your home screen. So let's, for example, disable them all to see what the clear screen will look like. Now let's also clear the notifications. And so, as you can see right now, the indicators have gone, except for the one notification reminding us to choose the search engine, and the time in the top left corner of the screen. And if you want to remove the time icon, go to clock settings in QuickStar menu and then select hide. And now nothing is visible at the top, on the top panel, except for this remaining notification. So let's just select the default search engine, and right now we have the clear home screen. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.